Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Coinbase to set up scheduled buys, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Coinbase app on your device or visit the Coinbase website on your web browser. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your portfolio and market details. Look for the buy button, typically located at the top of the home page. Click on the buy button to proceed with the purchase options. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy from the list provided. Enter the amount you want to invest in that cryptocurrency. Next, locate the payment methods section to select your preferred funding source. If you haven't set up a payment method yet, you will need to add one. Follow the prompts to link your bank account or debit card for purchasing. After selecting your payment method, look for an option labeled Repeat this purchase. Toggle the switch to activate the Scheduled Buy feature. Choose how often you want to purchase the cryptocurrency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the amount you wish to buy each time the purchase occurs. Review the Scheduled Buy details to ensure everything is correct. Click Confirm or Schedule Buy to finalize your scheduled purchase setup. Check your account settings to verify that the scheduled buy has been successfully added. You will receive notifications for each scheduled buy, helping you keep track of your investments. To edit or cancel a scheduled buy, return to the Buy section and access your scheduled purchases. From there, you can make any necessary adjustments or cancel the buy if needed. With these steps completed, you now have a fully set up scheduled buy on Coinbase. This feature allows you to invest regularly without needing to place individual buy orders each time. Enjoy the convenience of automated cryptocurrency investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.